This is the book, How Do Apples Grow? In the picture, you will see an apple hanging from a branch and two bumblebees. How do apples grow? Everyone loves to eat apples. Crunch! But do you know how apples grow? There are many types of apples. Apples start from a tiny seed. If you cut an apple open, you can see the seeds inside. An apple can have up to 10 seeds inside. In this picture, you can see the inside of an apple and the parts of an apple. Let's look at them together. We have the stem. This brown thing that sticks up from the middle of the apple is a stem. On the stem is a green leaf. In the middle, on the inside, are the seeds. The seeds are small and brown. The inside of the apple is called the core. The seeds stay in the core. We don't eat the core of an apple. And on the outside, the colorful part, is the skin. The skin of this apple is red. I'll read the parts again. Stem, leaf, seeds, core, skin. Apple seeds start to grow when they are planted in soil and given sunlight, water, and fresh air. In the picture, you can see two children planting seeds in the ground. The plants use water, light, and air to make their own food. Then the seed will grow. The seed will grow roots, which will reach down into the soil. And this young plant is called a seedling. The seed has just sprouted. It's the beginning of an apple tree. In the picture, you will see the green seedling or sprout, the seed inside the dirt, the roots, and a friendly worm. Then a green sprout with tiny leaves shoots up from the ground. It grows bigger and bigger. In this picture, the children are looking at the sprout. That sprout will become an apple tree. But what happens next to this sprout? It will grow bigger and stronger. This is called a sapling. It is a small tree. You can see it is growing wood It has a trunk and branches. Apple trees are made of wood. And it takes a few years for the sapling to become a full-grown tree. The sapling will grow taller and taller, and it will become a big tree. In this picture, you can see a big apple tree with blossoms and a girl under the apple tree. In the spring, blossoms on the branches open into pink and white flowers. Each flower will become an apple. When the flower petals fall, an apple starts to grow. In this picture, you can see first, the flower petals start to fall. Second, all the petals are gone. Third, you have the beginning of a small apple. And fourth, you can see a red apple growing. And finally, a full apple. It takes a summer for an apple to be ready to eat. That's a long time. In the picture, you can see a big red apple hanging from a tree. It is ready to pick. Good things are worth waiting for. In this story, you saw how an apple starts as a seed. When planted, it will grow into a sprout, then a small tree or sapling. Then the tree will go big over many years and make blossoms. Those blossoms will turn into apples. And those apples will grow over a summer and be ready to pick and eat. Thank you for listening.